Tired of drowning in a sea of receipts? Spending hours meticulously entering expense data? You're not alone. But fear not, fellow travelers and business warriors. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of Expensify, the app that promises to banish expense report nightmares forever. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is Expensify, and how on earth does it work? Well, my friend, Expensify is your digital expense reporting superhero. It's a powerful tool that automates the entire process, from capturing receipts to generating reports in a snap. Think of it as your personal finance assistant, always ready to lend a helping hand. But enough chit-chat, let's get down to business. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of submitting an expense report in Expensify. Buckle up, because this is going to be a smooth ride. First things first, you'll need to capture your receipts. Expensify makes this incredibly easy. You can simply snap a photo of your receipt with your phone's camera. The app's advanced image recognition technology will automatically extract key information like date, vendor, and amount. Talk about a time saver. But wait, there's more. Expensify can also connect to your email inbox. This means any receipts sent to your email will automatically be imported into the app. No more manual entry. You can also connect your credit cards and bank accounts. This allows Expensify to automatically track your expenses, making the process even more streamlined. Once your expenses are recorded, it's time to create your report. Expensify makes this a breeze. Simply select the dates for your reporting period and choose the expenses you want to include. The app will then generate a professional-looking report in a matter of seconds. You can even customize your reports with your company's logo and branding. Need to submit your report to your employer? No problem. Expensify integrates seamlessly with most accounting software, allowing you to easily export your reports and submit them for reimbursement. You can even get reimbursed directly through the app, making the entire process even faster and more convenient. Innovative interface and powerful features, Expensify takes the pain out of expense tracking and reporting. So, ditch the spreadsheets, say goodbye to tedious data entry, and embrace the power of automation. With Expensify by your side, you'll be a more efficient and organized professional in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expensing.